HDOT. Hot cause that nigga in these streets believe. Get him. Yeah. Hey. You know when nigga chillin', and I do a lot of time, but I never went to jail, and I ain't never did no time. I'm lying. I'm on this block again. I got the rocks again. I know they tryna stop a nigga, they can't block it, man. I do my thing though. You know my chain glow. That bitch hang up off my neck, that's the angle. I shoot a nigga acute, that's the angle. Looking at a nigga pop his head off like some Pringles. Let it open, man. We ain't even hoping, man. I'm scoping, plus I'm focused, man. I'm floating like I'm soaring, man. Niggas spitting boring, man. I'm coming and touring, man. 100 niggas swarming this open face, man. We boring, man. Boring on these niggas, cause beat them with a border too. Acting like these niggas fuck around, I'm on the border, dude. I don't even stop niggas, eyes so Japanese. No, fuck the bullshit, my eyes really Vietnamese. Niggas can't copy me, never. Too clever, something like Rocky, I box through the leather. Hands is crucial, never give a fuck and I do you. Shit on these niggas like pigeon, you can see that I do.
Smoked out, man, I'm loped out, choked out. Hoes, get the fuck out. You know this how I do this shit. Pistol grip, I smack your bitch, kick that bitch and dump her in the ditch. This is how we do this shit, nigga. From the southwest all the way to the midwest, nigga. Put two in your chest, nigga. 50 Cali, got these niggas running like they at a fucking fitness place for Valley. Niggas better duck down, motherfucker, cause I ain't playing hoes. This is how we go, cause we get the fucking spraying balls.
Motherfuckers laying on the fucking floors. Camouflage nigga hopping out, bustin' bro. With the 9 or the Uzi, make the nigga wet just like a fucking jacuzzi. He on the block, said he got work, he don't wanna move me. He think it's a game, I'm talking to him, acute, he think it's a movie. I'm like, fuck it, no discussion. Pistol coming out the drawers, man. Pop the motherfucker, make this nigga like he was frozen. Hold on for a second, I gotta take a fucking pass for my nigga kid. Cause I'm really sick with this ridiculous flow, so mafioso know me, man. Can't even stop, motherfucker can't even call, nigga, they call me, man. 3-point shot, bust nigga in his chest just like I was Kobe, man. I don't give a fuck, I'm coming through like I was holding, man. No, I'm younger now, motherfuckers trying to get me down. Can I get me down? What a killer, spit 100 rounds. We don't play around, come around the same band in. Motherfuckers came out dumping with the hand cannon. Band standing like I'm on American Bandstand. Do not give a fuck, I flop, I do my damn dance. Oh, the face is the niggas that's coming replaced in. Niggas they look at my face is don't give a no fuck you in the basement. Duct taping these niggas for no reason, they thinking they be critical. Don't get no focus, I'm ready to flow. When I'm telling these niggas they can't get me wrong. When I do what I did, cause I did it for sure. They looking like niggas they ready to go. I'm ready to go. Now look at my chain, my neck, you think it's ready to go. Give a none, nigga automatic, don't give a fuck, but that's heavy. You look at this motherfucker, for the reason that these motherfuckers think they got it. Y'all got it, I tell them, came back. I'm gonna hit him, bust and dump back. Other niggas wanna get me, can't even cop that. Hey, yo, give me some help, black. I can't even stop now. I'm hiding, and I'm gonna get these Rocky. They say this nigga on the block at the motherfucking Rocky. Cut the Rocky. Hell yeah, can't stop, man. I'm drunk as hell, but your boy can't stop me. Open face the mouth, the motherfuckers looking at me like they really just want to copy.